Hi lovely people, welcome to Learn with Hassan, and today I'm here to teach you how you can create animated subscription button for your YouTube videos like this. Without wasting my time, let's start. So first of all, we need a video that we will use for the animated subscription button. So we open our browser, type in pixabay.com. This website is a website that will allows people to use their videos, photos, vectors, illustrations for free without any copyright issue. So we come here and we search for video, then we type in subscription button here. And we are greeted with this whole lot of subscription buttons. For this video purpose, we will use this one. So let's play and see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. So we are supposed to download it here, and it is for free, and our video is downloaded. So let's close our browser here and then go search for our video. Now when we come to, or when we go to downloads and videos here, you can see our video here. So this is our video. So let's open our Camtasia here. This is the software we are using for today, Camtasia, but most of the video editing softwares can also do the same as the Camtasia is doing. So let's import the video that we downloaded here by clicking on import, and this is the video. So double click on the video. So now the video is inside the Camtasia editor, and let's hold it and drag it to the track like this. Drag it to the track like this. So let's play and see if it is the video. Yes, that's the video. So now we can see that the background is having a green screen. The background is having a green screen, so we have to do away with this green screen here. So to do away with this green screen, you come down here, you click on more, and you go for visual effect. Mine is here, and you come down to this option, which is remove color. Remove a color. So you drag and drop it to the video like this, and when you come to the right side here, you have properties open here. So you click on this, the color button over here, and you will see this button, and you click on it, and you see your mouse cursor will turn to something like a pen or a knife, something like that, and you place it on the green screen and you click. That's all. The green screen is gone and gone forever. So now let's play it and see. Yeah, perfect, as we want. So now it is a bit bigger, so let's crop it. So you come here, the cropping tool over here, you click on it, and you hold this edge here, and you drag it down. You drag it down here, and you hold the bottom down here, and then you drag it here, and you are good to go. So let's come back. Yeah, so for us to see it clearly, let's add the video and you see how it is going to look like. Let me go to my library. Seems I'm having some videos there, so let me bring my introduction to this area. Yeah, This is my introduction. Let me copy and paste here. I want the video to be a bit longer, so let me cut this area. Let me cut this area from the video. And now let me bring this thing here. So let me add this, or let me group this this video. So let me bring this one here. So let me play it and see. Yes, okay, let me do away with the sound and play it again and see. Listen, it's working. So now we have to position it. We have to position it, resize it and position it. So let me see if, let me put it on this left side here. Yeah, so let me put it here. I think it's okay. So let's play the video again and see. Yes, perfect. So this is how, or this is the simplest way you do subscription animation for your YouTube videos. Very simple, straightforward, and most of the video editors can do this. So after you are done with this, let's try to export it and see how it is going to look like. Go by and let me see, subscription. Now our video is done. So this is where our video was saved. Let me open it. Perfect. This is how you go by creating your own YouTube subscription animation. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and as well, whatever comments you are having, please leave it down there. I will do justice to it for you. Thank you once again for watching the video. Until we meet again, bye bye.